Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.21. The mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 31 kilograms. If its Ke is 3.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 25 J, calculate its wavelength. Given. Kinetic energy equals 3.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 25 joules. Mass equals 9.1 into 10 raised to the power 34 kg. Solution. Kinetic energy equals half mass into velocity square. So, velocity square will be equals twice of kinetic energy divided by mass. Substituting the value. Velocity square equals 2 into 3.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 25 divided by 9.1 into 10 raised to the power 34. After calculation and decimal changes. Velocity square equals 6.593 into 10 raised to the power 5. Now we have velocity square, we need velocity's value. So, velocity equals square root of 6.593 into 10 raised to the power 5. After calculation, velocity equals 811.99 meter per second. According to de Broglie equation, lambda equals h divided by mass into velocity. Substituting the value, lambda equals 6.626 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 divided by 9.1 into 10 raised to the power 34 into 811.99. After calculation and decimal changes. Lambda equals 8,967 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. 1a equals 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. So, lambda equals 8,967a. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.